Do you know what I have here? So it's my crypto wallet. Don't tell my husband I told you about it. And why I'm holding it, to show how this topic has started to gain more importance. Crypto, DeFi, stablecoins, central bank digital currencies. So today we are going to tell you more about this topic at MONEY2020 from the experts.
What we are doing with the tokenized economy, you are including the value itself in the chain. And this has tremendous possibilities. It could improve the management of the liquidity for global banks. It could give you a real-time, on-demand liquidity.
What we see is that the crypto sector has got an opportunity to lead a transition to net zero. And this is what at Zumo we want to show is an example of how sector-wise decarbonization can be achieved.
Why are banks looking into distributed ledger technology?
We started actually exploring with this technology in 2014, more or less, on what opportunities it could bring, right? And the fact that what you actually have as a meaning of value in the blockchain, and when you exchange that towards someone else, what you are exchanging is the actual asset itself, right? So you really exchange the ownership of it.
When it comes to crypto, I think for us, stablecoins is very interesting. Obviously, they're one-to-one backed with the currency. The evolution of blockchain is super relevant as well. I think the interesting thing about blockchain is you're replacing trust with truth. The payment is instant. It's real time. It's recorded. So there's a lot of transparency.
As a regulator, you have a responsibility as well to make that, protectable, to protect the consumers, to protect the institutions.
You always have to understand who you're dealing with. And I think lots of firms haven't got licenses, lots of firms can't operate in different jurisdictions because of the risks there. So firms always need to understand who they're dealing with and are they bad.
Different jurisdictions tend to apply really different rules. So that is creating some challenges, of course. On our side, we are preparing for getting licenses and applying for licenses and getting licenses all across the world, right? Because crypto exchanges are 24/7, 365 platforms.
There's so many companies out there, and the really mature ones putting in the effort to put in back office compliance, KYC, AML processes to ensure that the transactions they're facilitating, the people they're working with, are compliant, and they're compliant to any, not only regulations today, but where regulations are growing.
I think we're now at a really interesting time where the regulators are really now bringing in the required clarity that's needed in this industry.